Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry with simplertrading.com, and in tonight's free video, I wanted to start by asking you a personal favor, or more so, if you have been using this analysis and have found it helpful, if you would go back and either like last Friday's video or like the video that you're viewing now. I would appreciate it because I just want you guys to know that when I come to you with these free videos, I try to stay away from hypotheticals, and if you did watch that video from Friday, beginning it by saying there's one place to focus. Now granted, there are a million things that are moving in the market at any given time, but by starting with that comment, I hope you were able to take away, the idea that there was a reason to be focused on Tesla. So if we come back and recap where we left off on Friday and the signal that took us to, what we were doing today, it was all from the 15-minute squeeze. Now the 15-minute is one of my favorite time frames for several reasons, but when you head into the end of the week with what I thought was such a good pattern in the stock itself, and then that squeeze to complement the general movement of it, it just really sets up in a nice way. So today we opened up about $10, give or take, and from there just marched pretty much directly higher to end the session up almost 60. So these are good end of day signals, and I bring this to you today, one, to recap the plan that took us here, and then two, the plan heading into tomorrow, because we have this signal once again. So I really feel like this is worth studying because, when you see the futures open on Sunday as they did, and it was we can just look at it, but it's kind of that pretty serious kick in the teeth. And you think, oh goodness, is the idea of telling and being long Tesla over the weekend, is that really a smart idea? When you see the gap down like this, well, I believe the obvious answer to that is yes, being long was correct because it ultimately paid us as we were expecting. It's just fascinating to see that strength come through in spite of a very bearish market. So again, this is what I'm looking for the same signals into tomorrow for Tuesday. I would like to see that we can stay above the 859 and work our way into the psychological price point of 900. From there, we'll have to see what the rest of the market wants to do. But again, I hope you're finding these free videos of value. You're putting them to work in your trading plan, and we'll continue to update these setups as we get through them. So have a great evening, and we'll see you at the next update. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.